Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Grubhub driver goes viral after getting hilarious note from customer on a diet. You know, some customers can be really clever with the way they handle their notes, and some requests are so outlandish that you almost roll your eyes in laughter because there's no way that this is real, right? This one is not only hilarious, but it's actually kind of relatable, to be honest. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash UberEats and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A delivery driver was given an unexpected request from a customer, and people can't stop laughing about it. We've heard some bizarre interactions between delivery drivers and customers. In November, a Doordash driver ate a customer's food in the car after they failed to give him a tip, which you should never do, by the way. Let's just be clear, that's not a condonable offense. Now, a delivery driver from Grubhub, known as Just Eat in the UK, has received a hilarious request from a customer who was looking to shed a few extra pounds. You know what the worst part is? I'm in the same boat. We can see the receipt, which has gone viral with the customer's request imprinted upon it. Not quietly, I'm supposed to be on a diet, it reads. That is way too funny. I'm shocked that this made the news, but I totally get it. Although I will say, this does look like it's from the UK itself, Just Eat, so that is way too funny. People can't stop laughing at hilarious note from customer. Originally posted on the restaurant's Instagram page, it was later shared on a popular meme page at the Dad Club, where it accumulated over 100,000 views. The things you do for content, huh? I'm gonna leave their post as well as their Instagram page in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Not too often do we get a lot of news from Instagram though, so that's kind of cool to see. People found the customer's note hilarious, joking that their diet was the double chocolate diet in response to the menu item they ordered, which appears to be chocolate fudge and ice cream loaded onto a waffle. Oh, that sounds way too good right now. Have you ever been on a diet and then see somebody else order something and then you just feel the pain of you knowing that you shouldn't have that, even though you're probably gonna end up having it anyway? But this guy ordered a Texas BBQ 9-inch standard, seems like a sandwich, a create your own waffle with double chocolate ice cream, chocolate sauce, and a Dr. Pepper. That sounds a little too good, my friend. What are they having in the UK? I thought the UK was supposed to be a place with all the bland food. That's what I keep hearing, but apparently they got something good going over there. Another commenter found the customer's viral request highly relatable, writing, "A cheat day is needed every now and then. And to stay strong," they chimed in. I mean, you're not wrong, but is that really strength if you're cheating? I'm a firm believer that if you got a serious craving, just get it over with, but don't be impulsive about it, you know? And they weren't alone. I did this. I got to the door before he rang the doorbell because the missus would have seen. Never have I ever felt the need to go to the gym out of all of these comments. Others couldn't get over the low cost of the meal, writing, "Hold up, where are they getting prices like that with delivery? That's a $40 minimum for the food and $80 after delivery charges and fees." Okay, that's highly exaggerated, but this is very cheap in comparison. This has gotta be UK, right? I mean, it's from Just Eat. Just Eat is more of a UK thing. That's what I could tell so far. I don't know. This must be a receipt from 10 years ago. That's so inexpensive. Another said, followed by a laughing emoji. Hey, you know what? It could be. Some of these posts end up going around and circulating for a long time, so that's possible. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. What I'm a little annoyed at with this post is that they didn't talk about how the actual driver was. How would the driver react if they saw such a note, right? In my eyes, I would think that they would be empathetic, if they saw it. But let's say you did that here in South Florida, right? And they didn't read the note, or they didn't speak English and they didn't read the note. Now you got a different problem, because then you're risking the idea that the person that is bringing it to the door is going to knock anyway. And in my opinion, if you didn't want to be found out and everything was going to be on your phone, wouldn't you just tell them not to knock at all? Just leave it at the door, you'll come get it? That's what I would think anyways. Not knock quietly, I'm supposed to be on a diet. Or even just say there's a baby sleeping or a crazy dog or whatever. We'd get the message. But then that also raises the other question. Do you think other people have thought of that and said, you know what? Maybe we should say that instead of saying anything about a diet. Because let's be honest, there's a lot of food anxiety and body dysmorphia in America right now. All in all, this post was hilarious. It was very lighthearted in comparison to some of my other posts, and definitely an interesting find, to say the least. Although, real talk, if that's actually the prices, I'm in. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!